Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect iPhone to TCL TV. If your TCL TV uses Android TV, then most probably it doesn't have a pre-installed AirPlay feature. Therefore, we're gonna need to use an external application to connect our iPhone to the TV. But first of all, we're gonna have to go to devices settings by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then selecting network and internet menu, and here just make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi and one of the networks has a connected status next to it, and then just swipe down the control center on your iPhone and check if the Wi-Fi that your iPhone is connected to is the same Wi-Fi that you see on your TV screen, or just connect your TV to portable hotspot created on your iPhone. After that, let's open the Google Play Store on the TV and let's go to the search section and let's search for the AirScreen application. So just input Air basically, and you will see this app as one of the first results on the screen. Open the AirScreen and then select install and wait until this application is installed on your TV. Once the app is installed, open it. Wait until it loads, then select continue. Let's skip the step since our devices are already connected. Select grant, then select while using the app. Then wait for a while and select confirm. After that, you can either input this web address in your iPhone's web browser, or you can scan the QR code using your iPhone's camera. I'm gonna choose the second option as I find it more convenient. So just scan the QR code and tap on the pop-up that appears on your iPhone screen. Once the page loads on your iPhone, your TV will switch to this menu. And in some cases it will ask you to give it some additional permission because there is another cast receiver app on your TV. Just select force start and select change settings, and then wait until this menu appears on your screen. Wait for a moment, and after some time you will see the AirScreen application among other apps. Switch the toggle to the right next to it. And then let's return to the application, and at this point we can start casting the iPhone screen. So on your iPhone, swipe down the control center, then tap on the screen mirroring icon right here, and you will see your TV on the list. Just tap on it, and it's gonna take a moment for your iPhone to connect to your TV. And right now, as you can see, the mirroring has started. And now we can basically open any application on our iPhone. It will be casted to the TV. So for example, let me open YouTube app. And of course, we can stream videos normally to our TV. So let me just find some video. Just give me a moment. And as you can see, we can normally cast any video from our iPhone in full screen resolution with good quality. Everything is managed in the apps using the app's controls. So unfortunately, you cannot control your volume or navigate through the video using your iPhone unless you upgrade to Pro version, but you can easily do this with your remote control. And so yeah, that's basically it. If you want to stop screen mirroring, you just have to swipe down the control center on your iPhone and tap on the screen mirroring icon and select stop mirroring, and that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video, If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.